Welcome to Spirit Says So Tarot, Aquarius. Your angels have gathered in this assembly to bring you some messages. So we're going to go ahead and dive right in, starting with the Oracle of the Fairies. Spirit, please provide divinely guided messages for the highest good only. What do the angels and spirit guides for Aquarius have to say? What do they need to hear? Journey. It's time to prepare for a journey. It may be impromptu or planned. Either way, make sure you're ready when the time comes. Pack your passport now. Oh, I love it. The fairy journey with the hair. And the hair moves fast, so you better get moving, Aquarius. All right, we're also going to grab a message from Butterfly Affirmations. What do the angels and spirit guides of Aquarius have for them, Spirit? I like to take care of myself with love through rest, play, movement, and positive thinking. So much beautiful green in the foliage. Okay. So keep your thoughts positive, Aquarius. Your angels are definitely putting that in neon for us. Travel is in your near future. Okay. Yeah. Six of Swords. So travel definitely is in your near future. I didn't even have a chance to ask Spirit for these messages, but you have been thinking about travel as well. It's definitely been on your mind. That is part of you like to take care of yourself through play and movement and rest. I feel like you are ready for a new kind of a detour in your path. We have Queen of Cups for you. I don't feel like you're quite there at Queen of Cups, but you aspire to be. You have been very emotional. You've been emotional partly because of this journey that you are planning, or maybe was kind of dropped upon you all of a sudden. It's very spontaneous. It's something that you want to do nonetheless, whether you planned it or it was a spontaneous gesture on someone's part. I feel like there's somebody that's holding you back. Holding you back. I feel like you are being made to feel guilty, Aquarius. Or maybe you're making yourself feel guilty. Maybe that's what the emotional turmoil is. Because again, you want to get your emotions in check. The Chariot, yeah. Makes a lot of sense having the Chariot come in. Your yin and yang are definitely divided right now. Again, I feel like you are being made to feel guilty. I feel like this journey, this traveling, for some of you is business related. We have the Tower. So the Tower is being feared. The Tower has not happened. The Tower is the guilt that is being put upon you should you take this journey, whether it be business related or a personal choice for rest or play. But you're being made to feel guilty. The sky is falling if you leave. You have been offered a new job, or it could be within your love relationship. You may have been asked for a commitment to move in together, to start your life journey together. Union is coming in. So for some of you, it is about love and about starting a new journey with that lover, and somebody is holding you back. Maybe there's some secrets there regarding the relationship, maybe not. But for some of you, Aquarius, it is career oriented. You've been offered a new job and somebody's making you feel guilty for taking that job. And that too could be related to the love interest. So it kind of, it all connects one way or another. Could be one story, it could be two different stories in this reading for you. There's going to be time for celebration and reason for celebration. You should feel good about yourself. Perhaps that's what you need, is some time with your besties, your friends, the people that you're very close to that you can confide in, and celebrate the offer that's come into you, whether it is that of love or that of a new career, or both. Because either way, I feel like your energy, Aquarius, is that you are going to move forward within your life path. You're going to take the offer, whether it be that of love or that of work. You're all about it. Ace of Cups, you are all about it. You are very welcoming. This position is out of your own attitude, Aquarius. You are welcoming love to come in. So you want to grow, okay? You are also, for those regarding the career aspect of it, you love the person that is making you feel guilty. Okay, the Tower, the weight, the anchor. I'm going to say it. That's what your angels are saying. I kind of been biting my tongue on that, but what are the perspectives of Aquarius's angels, spirit guides, or those that love them, those that are close to them, their friends here? Okay, thank you, Spirit. Some of them see you as the Eight of Swords, as being held back, by this tower. Okay, so you are definitely not hiding anything, which is a good thing. It's not good to hold anything in. But again, your angels and your spirit guides are here to reflect on all of this. So this makes complete sense. Because you were drawn to this reading, that makes a lot of sense right there. Yeah. You've got to shut that burden down is what your angels and spirit guides are trying to convey to you. They do not want you to carry the tower, the burden of the tower on your shoulders. Of course, you have to go with your own gut, your own intuition. That is the most important thing. You got to do what you feel is right for you, always. But you know that because you take care of yourself. You love yourself. So, for some of you, take time to rest and play. But you know that you need to keep moving forward. You need to press on so you can move forward with the offerings that have come in. You need to ignore that tower. And then you will have the Queen of Cups status that you so deserve, you so desire. Spirit, please give us a closing message for our darling Aquarius and this journey, whether it be that of career-oriented with a love interest that has a concern, or whether it be that of a journey with their new lover. The Sun. I love this. Archangel Uriel. Life is wonderful. Thrive through the power of positive thinking and inspiring success. And the angel is on a horse. You are victorious. You will be victorious. It's awesome. All right, Aquarius, I hope that if this reading resonated with you, that everything does work out in your favor, that if you are gaining fruitful employment, yay you. If you are in the midst of welcoming new love into your life journey, wonderful. Forget the anchor, the tower, those that want to make you feel guilty. Feel good about yourself. Keep the positive thinking flowing. If this reading did not resonate with you, that certainly is okay. Please feel free to check out one of my other readings. Hit that like button for me no matter what, because I really need all the likes that I can get. I'm trying to make my channel grow, don't you know? Would you kindly subscribe if you haven't already? And to my returning subscribers, thank you so very much for your loyalty and your continued support. Until next reading, all of you darling Aquarius, stay fabulous. Bye.